Oh yes, that's nice. But you see, it's not the most practical thing. No, I can see that.
And they came down about a fortnight later. That was good.
Morning, Cliff. Welcome to the Sammy Miller Motorcycle Museum. Obviously, the BSA Owners Club Day. You're part of the Dorset group, so tell us a little bit more of your involvement and why you like coming to us.
Okay, thank you again for hosting.
Perfect.
I can't remember if we're third or fourth year now, but it's very. We certainly appreciate coming. It's a great day. The Dorset BSA group, we've just celebrated our 10 years today, or this year, that we set up in 2016, so we're celebrating that really this year. The local club meets over at the Bluebird Club. The national club, which we're part of, has about 4,500 members.
Wow.
So the BSAs are still well liked, and plenty of people like to ride their BSA stuff.
Excellent, brilliant, Okay, well thank you very much and we look forward to a successful day.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, it was all right.
Oh, that's it. I mean, it will.
Come in a year and a half. What most guys take a lifetime.
On the way to that thing,